Dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. This is my great opportunity to give a presentation here. The topic is about the low carbon and smart vessel. As mentioned just now, SDARI has a 60 years history. We delivered more than 4,600 vessels during the 60 years. We covered almost all the major ship types, including chemical tankers. So today, because many chemical tankers is here, so we just focus on low carbon design, smart ship system, and chemical tankers and LNG bunkering vessels. This is something about our design philosophy. SDARI based on Shanghai, so we support not only the owner, but also all the shipyards in China, or even some international shipyards. We try to benefit the owner, benefit the environment. Simultaneously, we can benefit the shipyards. So for fuel oil consumption, environment protection, and the structure design, we made much efforts. And that's our advantage. We have a strong in-house team, covered every aspects, including hydrodynamics, structure analysis, the shape optimization, and also the smart ship system. Then we can do a real systematic and integrated optimization for the industry. Here we show something about our fundamental technology. We called our technology numerical model basing. So you can see for the performance and light ship weight control, we can save quite a lot for fuel oil consumption and steel weight for the shipyard. And we are using some so-called new technology, but actually this technology is not so new. Just these days, we are installed on board for many ships, including air lubricating system and wind propulsion system, solar panels, batteries, something, and waste heat recovery. For the numerical towing tank, we can optimize the hull line with a so-called parametric model coupled with CFD. Then based on owner's real operation profile, we get a real energy efficiency hull. And this hull will be also evaluated for the sea keeping performance. Then the rough sea performance is good. Based on our hydrodynamic capability, we also develop the in-house engine-saving devices, including high-efficiency propeller, fan duct, fan cap. That's one type of the hubcap feeds, and also twisted leading edge rudder that installed on board many ships. And together with the leading European towing tank, we developed the air lubricating system and installed on board a real ship. The net gain may be 4 to 8%. That's very impressive. And by hydrodynamic and aerodynamic technology, we can simulate and optimize every performance, the class required and the owner concerned, then deliver a real certified ship to the industry. Here you can see the sea-keeping performance, including added resistance and cavitation performance, maneuvering, and air conditioning, or air and the cargo ventilation, and some performance related to the drop of ash, temperature distribution can be also simulated. For structural analysis, SDARI has a very strong in-house team. Because we covered all the major ship types, then our team is very efficient and capable to analyze all the aspects, including stress, fatigue, vibration, noise level control. Then that's a real in-house systematic optimized design. The third part is about low carbon designs. Nowadays, more and more technology related to alternative fuel is used. For SDARI, we evaluate many issues to deliver real low carbon and effective economical ships. Then the real low carbon fuel, the zero carbon fuel, and some new technology such as battery CCUS will be used. Here we showed some LNG dual fuel ships. We covered bulkers, container vessels, PCTCs, then even some specialized ship types, multi-purpose vessel. We are discussing with the owner. Many ships have been delivered. The performance is quite good. The emission is better than estimation. For methanol dual fuel ships, we delivered the container vessels and we delivered methanol-ready PCTCs. Owners' comments is quite good. And not only the CO2 emission, but even just considering the methanol consumption, some ships is quite competitive comparing with those delivered in a very close stage. Even some customer told me maybe 10% better than the competitors. Here we show the ammonia-powered ship types. We got the order of the world's first container vessel. That's 1,400 TEU, now under construction in the Qingdao shipyard. Now that belongs to China Merchant. Yeah, will be delivered in the very beginning of next year. And we developed many proposals for other ship types. Nowadays, also Newcastle bulkers are under construction in Chinese shipyard. Will be delivered in very similar stage. That means soon later, we may investigate and evaluate the real ammonia dual fuel ships. This can open a door for more ships coming. Just last month, we delivered a full package of CCUS on board a bulker. That's a real ship. And this system has been tested on Evergreen's container vessel. It's like that the performance is very satisfied. So our owner, Shandong Shipping, installed on board on this Kamsarmax bulker. We can wait and see how about the data, the performance. And here I will show you that's a pure electric driven container vessel. That's 740 TEU. That's the battery is containerized. That means this ship may be charged, but the container is also replaceable. More important, this ship will be a real autonomous ship. That's a self-driving and self-berthing ship. Will be delivered next year. Now that's under construction in one of the shipyards in Jiangxi. We also give the digital solution to those ships delivered based on our design. Always we say we want to do a life cycle service, but how to get back the data, how to know whether this ship is good enough. Then we installed on board our in-house developed system. that's called DOS, Digital Operation Support System. Then parallelly, we are developing autonomous ships. This is considering self-driving or assistance self-driving. For our DOS system, we have two parts, the onboard part and the shore part. For the onboard system, we have the integrated platform. That means all the data collected digitally into the platform. Then this platform can make you very flexible to develop different apps, more like your iPhone. Then our standardized apps is energy efficiency, engine maintenance, and cargo management. Also, we have smart camera system to help the onboard management. Then for navigation, we give assistant self-navigation, and we develop the autonomous ships. Then for the shore-based side, we give similar apps, but we have the CII monitoring system, and we have many interface for further analysis of the data. That means that's not a dead software. We can improve this system day by day according to owner's real requirement. More important, SDARI is a designer. We do know the philosophy behind the ship. We do know how the engines are running. So we analyze the data more efficiently for owner. Here we have some example for the apps function. You can see with the energy efficiency apps, we have the trim optimization, route app optimization, and RPM optimization. This can save 2 to 5% for the real operation. And we also have the CII platform. This make the management of the fleet very flexible. For the autonomous shipping, we try to reach the level of the cars in 2027. Can we achieve L3 level? That means majority of the driving duty is relying on the system. We are doing our best to achieve these targets. And as I mentioned, the two ships of 740 TU will be delivered in the very beginning of next year. Based on these two ships, we will further tuning our software and using some AI technology for further training. Hopefully, we can achieve this target. But we have to closely cooperate with flag administration, with the class, with other partners. Then we go to our designs for tanker and gas carrier design. We have many ships, designs listed in the significant ships. And also some ships are honored as very top level in the tanker forum. Here we show something from several thousand tons to LR1, all listed in the significant ships. And we covered many tanker ship types. You can see for the size from 2000 to VLCC. For the coating and the material, we have the coated product. We have stainless steel, pure chemical tankers, and we have marine line for special cargoes. Here we have some MR1 delivered 10 years ago, totally 8 ships or 10 ships. And nowadays, we are developing the new generation of MR2 and MR1. For MR2, we have 100 orders. And we also delivered a very famous one, old file 49K, stainless steel, totally 33 tanks. And in the middle tanks, PO may be loaded without limitation. And here, our MR series delivered in many shipyards. Now the newest generation is quite competitive comparing with the South Korean shipyards. And we are more close to the shipyard, more friendly to the owner. We make a real tailor-made for the global owners. This is the old-file tanker. This is the coated product and the chemical tanker delivered to a German owner. This is the asphalt tanker, independent tank. And this is, I think that's the first in the world, ammonia dual fuel stainless steel chemical tankers for CMB. Will be built in Jilin Dingheng shipyard. 2 ships have been ordered. That's a firm order and ammonia capable, everything on board. That's not a ready design. That will be a leading project for ammonia fuel tankers. And this also joint development project with Jilin Dingheng shipyard. Unfortunately, the engine is not ready for the moment. So we will sign this project later. This is the product oil tanker delivered in Fujian Maui shipyard to Petronas. This is the asphalt tanker 13K. This is a non-solid stainless steel chemical tanker delivered to the domestic owner. And this is the 7,200 tons dead weight stainless steel chemical tanker. Although that's not the European Denso standard, but as I say, today I just show SDARI's capability. We have the strong fundamental technology. We have an in-house specialized team. We can develop everything with owner's input and make a real tailor-made design. And here we showed many gas carrier for the owner. We have LPG carrier, we have LNG carrier and LNG bunkering ships. And nowadays we are developing liquefied CO2 carrier together with Petronas and MOL. This is the LNG bunkering ships delivered to Anywhere. Anywhere is the joint venture company of Gola LNG, Hege LNG, and Stolt-Nielsen. 2 ships delivered and 1 resold to SIPG, Shanghai Ports. That's very busy and profitable, so now they ordered 2 new ships with diesel electric propulsion in Jiangnan shipyard. This is our LPG carrier, and also that's an ammonia carrier. That's a real contract. This is the 48K LPG and ammonia carrier built in Huangpu shipyard for European owners. This one is for EPS. That's 60K LPG and ammonia carriers. This is the liquefied CO2 carrier. We developed the long series from the smaller one, 12,000, to the very huge one, 87K. The pressure, the material, and thickness of the tank quite different. Together with DMV and ABS, we make the AIP. In the near future, maybe that will go to a real order book. Thanks for your attention. The last but not least, we can do everything with your help. Thank you. Thank you.
You stay. Thank you so much. Over time is okay.
Yeah.
We're very honored having you as a gold sponsor here at Donsö Shipping Meet this year.
Yeah.
And you attend at the first time.
Yes.
So what is your expectation so far?
I think this is a good event. I'm very excited here. So many experienced partners and so many owners here. Very efficient to have a direct dialogue and communication. Yeah. I learned quite a lot, and we set up the connection with the owners and partners. So later we can cooperate for more projects. Yeah.